Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create text wrap right here in Adobe InDesign. So let's quickly create a new project. I'm just going to come here and click on new file, and this dialog box will open. I'm going to print, and under print I'm going to choose A4. I'll change my units to inches. I'll leave the orientation as portrait. I'll disable facing pages. I only want one page. I'll leave the columns alone. I think the margins are okay, and then I'll click on create. Alright, so we have our workspace open. So the first thing I'll do is to create some dummy text. So I'll select my text tool, or my type tool rather, and then I'll create a text box that spans the width and the height of the margins. Alright, so once that is created, I'm going to select my move tool, and I'll go to my properties panel and go to the bottom, and then I'll click on fill with placeholder text. Alternatively, you could right click and you would see fill with placeholder text right here. Alright, so once that is done, at the bottom as well you see text frame. Under text frame I'm going to click on the arrow to make it 2 frames. Alright, so we have 2 columns. Alright, and then I'm going to increase my gutter a little bit. Alright, so I'll leave it at 0.375 inches. Alright, so we have our text right here. I'm going to press Ctrl W, Shift W rather, so we can, this is what it looks like. Alright, so if I press W, the guides and the margins will remove or leave. Alright, so now let's bring in the image. Alright, so this is the image. So what I'm going to do is to drag it in, and once you drag it in, it's going to load in your cursor. Then you can now left click and drag to whatever size you want. So I think this is an okay size for me, right? And I'll basically just place it somewhere here. I think this is okay. Alright, so now that we have our image on top of our text, we want the text to wrap around this image. So what we're going to do is to go to text wrap. Alright, if you don't have your text wrap option, just go to Windows, and you're going to see it right here, text wrap. Alright, so open up your text wrap options, and then click on this option, the third one, wrap around object shape. Click on it, and then go under type and select subject. So once you click on select subject, it's going to make a selection of the subject, right, just like in Photoshop. So once that happens, you're going to come here and increase the size of the indentation around the image. So I think I'm going to leave mine at 0.25 inches. So if I press Ctrl W, Shift W to show you what it looks like, this is what it looks like. You can see that the text rather is wrapped around the image. Now we can also apply text wrap to text, right? So what I mean is, if we have a text, for example, text, and I increase the size to 48. So if we have this text right here, and I wanted it to wrap around this text, we can make that happen. All we have to do is go back to text wrap, and we can select wrap around the bounding box. Alright, then you can now come in here and manipulate this to get what you want. So each of these arrows controls up, down, left, and right, so you can basically take your time to get a good result. I'm not going to be doing that, but if I press Shift W, you can see what we have. You can see that the text is now wrapped around the bigger text. Alright, you can also duplicate it this way, and if you duplicate it, it will still have the text wrap effect on it, and then we can edit the text, and we have text wrap. Alright, so this is what it looks like, text wrap. You can always take your time and make sure that the margins are correct so that they look balanced and equal. Alright, but I'm just basically showing you how to achieve it. Now what if I duplicate this text again and I select it, and then I come here to the top and I change the color to white. And the reason I'm changing it to white is because I want to place it on top of the image. Now I'm placing it on top of the image, but it is not showing. Why is it not showing? It is not showing because this image has a text wrap, so the image is also affecting this new text that I put on top. So how do we fix that? Either you press Ctrl B to bring up this text frame options dialog box, or you go to object and then select text frame options. It's the same thing. Under text frame options, you're going to click on ignore text wrap, then click on OK. Now you can see that the white text wrap, the right text is now showing. All right, the white text is now showing. So this is basically all you need to know about text wrap, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, kindly let me know in the comment section, and if there's any other tutorial you'd like me to create, also let me know and I'll be happy to do so. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.